Hey, it's Steve here, and you're watching Steve's Vlog. Today, we're going to have a good day because I went and purchased animal making balloons. They're called twisty balloons. As you see, I've been practicing a little already. Just because I didn't want to come up here and look with no experience, so I wanted to be able to teach you something. So whoa, what? So let's do it. Okay. So, hey Squirrely, you can come say hi? Come here. Come here. Come on up. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. There's some balloons. Hello. There's some balloons everybody. You ready to make balloons? You want this? You want that? What's that? What's that? You want that? It's a dog just like Squirrely. Woof, 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 woof. You silly girl. You silly girl. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's make a balloon, Squirrely. Oh, Squirrely, Squirrely, Squirrely. Ooh. I love you too. I love you too. You want this one? You want that one? You want this one? You want this one? You want this one? There you go, Squirty. You can play with your balloons. So these are really hard to blow up using your mouth, so it came with a air pump. Works pretty good too. Where's them squirrels? Where are you going? Okay. So, I do know how to make a dog. I'll teach you how. It's pretty easy. That's about it though. I've attempted a couple other things, but we're just going to try and see what we can do. See what happens. Okay, so you fold it over like so, and then twist. This is going to be the tail. Let's make it longer. It's shorter. More realistic tail. Here's the feet. Here's the neck. I think I can make a giraffe like that. Yeah, the giraffe would be simple. The dog though, so the dog, you go like this, twister, and then you stick this into the hole. Stick it all the way through. And that's a dog. This is my other one. This one turned out really nice. So that's something I'm proud of. Making a dog balloon. Okay, let's try to make something else. A snake would be easy. There you go. You got a snake. Ta-da! Okay. We're gonna make a flower. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so grateful for my ex. Said thank you next. Yeah. Said my love. I worry about nothing. One taught me love. One taught me patience. I'm so amazing. Okay, so I gotta make a leaf here, 2 leaves. So it's gotta look like this. It's gotta look like this. And then still go up. So thank you, next.
Thank you, next. Thank you, next. I'm so grateful for my ex. Thank you, next.
I don't worry about nothing. Okay, I got 2, but now one needs to go here. Let's go like this. Said thank you next. Yeah. Okay. So it's got to go like here. Actually, this looks like a bottom. This does better at the bottom. Unless, yeah, this looks better at the bottom. No, not gonna work. Okay, we gotta make the flower part. Oh, you can curve it too. I didn't know that. And straighten it out. That's pretty cool. We're Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I don't know why I got that song stuck in my head. I've had it stuck in my head for the past 2 days. Okay, let's see here. So, I forgot how I... Oh. So there's one. There's two. Oh, this isn't working out too well. Well, kind of makes it look like a flower. I'll use another balloon. Or maybe 2 more balloons. Oh, this one's going backwards. Blowing up backwards for some reason. Okay. Easier to tie. Oh, cool. You can go like this too. Neat. Oh, this one's short. I'm so grateful for my ex. That's a nice flower head. So we go like this and stick it on the top like this. That'll work out pretty good. I want to put an orange one on there too. Okay. So it's almost springtime here in Minnesota. It's been raining a lot, and all of the snow is almost all melted. The rain took care of a lot of the snow. So we'll be outside soon. This isn't orange, is it? This is pink. I thought it was orange. I'm really excited to get outside in the warm weather. It's been lately in like the 30s, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, or 40s, 30s to 40s, mid 30s. See here. Let's just do it. Let's do it. How's that for a flower? Kinda. Kinda. It's not bad. This dog's pretty good. Okay, we'll try something else. You can do a teddy bear, a monkey. I was looking all over for these balloons too. I went to like all the Mega Marts and all the big stores. I couldn't find them anywhere. I was about to use the internet to buy them. And I don't like using the internet because, you know, with your credit card and everything online, you never know who's watching. And I just don't trust it very much. So, ended up going to the local gas station right up the road. It's Casey's gas station. And they had all this old time toys that I haven't seen since I was a little kid growing up. And sure enough, they had these balloons there. I could not believe it. It just worked out so perfect for me. Okay, let's see. Let's try a butterfly. So I'll need a wing like this. I'll need another yellow. Wait! Okay, this is gonna work out pretty good. All right, so we got wings. Precision. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Playing with these balloons, it really comes down to just imagination now. Anything's possible. Wings, one leg, I'll get another leg in there. Use this guy. Short. Whew. That makes you flinch. Okay, we're down a wing. One wing. I gotta make up a wing. It's kind of scary. Okay, one wing. I'm proud of myself. Having fun today. This is a lot of fun. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Okay, here we go. Head. That's the head. Butterfly. I'm a clown. I'm certified. I'm a certified clown. Certified. Whoa. Whew. Too early. Too early in the morning. Good way to start the day, though. So, always remember to like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate everyone that supports me and watches the videos and lets me know that, you know, that it's worth me making another video, that it's not just nobody out there watching. It feels good, so, and it's a lot of fun to do. I like it. So I'll keep making them as long as someone's out there watching. So, all right, I think this is good for now. I'm out. We'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye, everyone.